My winter fat has slowly morphed into spring rolls. That's why today we urgently making an Italian salad pizza with a deliciously light vinaigrette. Otherwise the word hot won't be making its debut this summer. Right, let's go. We have beautiful bodies to make. In a bowl, a 1/3 cup olive oil, a 1/4 cup red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, a sprinkle of Italian herbs, salt and pepper to taste, and whisk this vinaigrette up the yin-yang. That's it. Move it, move it, move it. That's it. Right, vinaigrette ready. If you make extra, you can always decant into a glass bottle and keep in the fridge. Right, bring out your Ital Pizza's classic bases. Move it, move it, move it, move it. That's it. In the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Preheated to 200 degrees. Now, salad time. In a large salad bowl, lettuce. I'm using coarse lettuce leaves. 1/2 cup of baby greens. 1/3 cup thinly sliced fennel. 1 baby red pepper thinly sliced. 1/2 a red onion sliced into rings. And now pour that vinaigrette over the salad. That's it. Now gently toss the salad, ensuring that everything gets coated in the vinaigrette. Look at that. Deliciously tasty and deliciously healthy. By now, our pizza bases have been baked and have cooled off, as we don't want the bases piping hot. We're serving this pizza at room temperature. Now, on the base, a spread of chunky low-fat cottage cheese. I'm using a spatula because it spreads easier. That's why the base must cool down before adding the cottage cheese. Spread as much as you like, but 1 tub is more than enough for the 2 pizzas. Now the salad coated in its delicious vinaigrette. Nearly there. And lastly, some quartered bocconcini, which are small balls of mozzarella. Bocconcini in Italian means small mouthful. And that's it. We're done. Well done, guys. Operation Lose Your Spring Rolls is officially underway. A healthier pizza solution without ever having to compromise on taste. And remember, folks, summer bodies are made in winter. And that's why I've missed that boat.